everyone! It's time for today's big question. Why we should take care of the earth? Well, earth is our home planet and is blessed with air, land, sunlight, water and wood. These are all natural resources. All living beings need clean air to breathe and pure fresh water to drink. We cannot live without these natural resources. So we need to take care of these natural resources. Do you know? Plants and trees breathe. They clean the air around them and produces oxygen at night. Have you ever noticed that plants gives us so many things? We use the wood from plants and trees to make lots of things like paper, houses, furniture, and even fabric. Plants give us food. We need sunlight, land, and water to grow plants and trees. They provide us with vegetables, fruits, and grains like oats, wheat, barley, and rice. So it's really important to look after these natural resources. The problem is that we're not taking care of our earth. We are polluting the environment and hurting the natural resources. The dirty smoke coming out from vehicles such as cars, buses pollutes the air. Smoke coming from factories also contributes to pollution. But there is one more monster that is polluting our environment, and that is plastic bag or things made from plastic because they cannot be disposed of properly. The other problem is trash. Now, who is responsible for all this plastic mess around us? None other than humans themselves. We are to be blamed. Problem is that most of us use plastic bags when we buy fruits and vegetables, and we just throw it away after single use. So we made lots of trash, and this trash is terribly bad for our land. This means that farmers can't use lands to grow plants and vegetables. All these things hurt our natural resources. We should not misuse our natural resources because we cannot make natural resources. These natural resources are a gift from God. But what could be done? How can we save our earth? Well, we should not litter, and we can reduce the amount of trash things that we throw away so there is less trash. We can reuse plastic bottles and cans. We can reuse old clothes. We can recycle paper, plastic bottles, cans, and cartons. Let's review what we have learned today. What are natural resources? Air, sunlight, water, wood, and land are all natural resources. When do people use natural resources? We cannot live without these natural resources, and we use it all the time. We breathe fresh air. We use water to drink and clean ourselves. We use water to wash our clothes and dishes. We water our plants and crops to get vegetables, fruits, and grains. We use the wood from trees to make a lot of things like paper, houses, and furniture. The paper on which we write comes from trees. Sunlight is the vital source of energy. We use these natural resources all the time. Why should we take care of the earth's natural resources? Well, we need to take care of the natural resources to stay alive in this world. What makes the air dirty? Well, smoke and pollution makes the air dirty. What can you do today to help take care of our natural resources? Well,
We can all take care of the earth's natural resources. Use things until you can't use them anymore. Don't throw things away. Reuse them, refill plastic drink bottles, make toys from old things. Reduce the natural resources you use. We should not waste paper, as paper comes from woods. And if we waste paper, more trees will cut down. If we have clothes that we don't use, there are people who can reuse them. We should all reuse, reduce, and recycle. We should all take care of our natural resources because we cannot live without these natural resources.